Come and read with me the amazing journey of plants, exploring the plant life cycle. Plants are incredible, living things that go through a special journey called the plant life cycle. Let's take a closer look at this fascinating process. It all starts with a tiny seed. Seeds come in different shapes and sizes, but they all have one thing in common. They're like tiny packages that contain everything a plant needs to grow. When a seed gets enough water, sunlight, and soil, it starts to sprout. Next comes the seedling stage. This is when the tiny sprout grows its first leaves and starts to look like a small plant. The seedling needs lots of water and sunlight to keep growing strong. As the plant grows, it enters the next stage called maturity. This is when it becomes a fully grown plant and starts to produce flowers. Flowers are like nature's way of making new seeds. They attract bees and other insects that help pollinate the flowers, which means transferring pollen from one flower to another. Once the flowers are pollinated, they start to produce seeds. These seeds will eventually fall to the ground and start the cycle all over again. But the plant life cycle doesn't stop there. Some plants, like annuals, complete their life cycle in just 1 year. Others, like perennials, can live for many years and go through the cycle again and again. Understanding the plant life cycle helps us appreciate the beauty and importance of plants in our world. They provide us with food, oxygen, and even medicine. So, the next time you see a plant growing, remember the amazing journey it's been through, from a tiny seed to a beautiful flower or delicious fruit. It's all part of the incredible plant life cycle. The end. Wow, plants are so amazing. Thank you for reading with me. Hey friend, don't forget to come by and visit all of your friends at the Whimsy Woods.